This is how I built this modern website for my latest client, Emporium Removals. Firstly, we had a meeting to discuss the plan for the project, and I created a shared Google Drive. After that, I created some initial logo ideas, as well as some mock-up ideas of what the van and the business card might look like. We then settled on this logo. It was then time to log onto the hosting and import a template. Next, I set up the site identity for the website as well as the favicon, created the basic page structure. I went for a blue, yellow and grey theme for this website. After that, I started designing the header and the footer for the website, and I went through and started to design all the other pages. The client wanted a video landing page, so I did that for the homepage. We then had a meeting to go over the design I've done so far. After the meeting, I started adding the actual content to the website, things like the services page and the FAQ page, or transfer from the drive straight onto the website. In order to generate leads for the client, I needed to use WP Forms to create a get a quote form on the website. I embedded the form using a shortcode and added some custom CSS to create the final get a quote form. I then went through the website to make sure all the other buttons and links were working. And as always, I made sure the website is responsive and looks good on all different types of devices. I then used a WP SMT plugin to connect the form to the client's email. After a quick website checkover, I optimized the website's speed, made sure it was running really quickly. Next, I did some search engine optimization, and I recorded a website tutorial video for the client. Then I send the final email and the website goes live.